Okay, first of all, I will use this 40 cm length of stick to show you the procedure about making the decoration, and then I will change to use a longer stick to show you the effect. Okay, very simple. Just put the stick on the base. Well, put on this 4 point. Okay. One stick, 2 stick. Okay, so that is. And then we need to make a top cover on it. So I will use our screw. Remember, as for your information, we supply all material used on our video. Just put the screw on it, but we don't show this screw because I found it's very expensive for the large screw and very heavy, so the shipping cost will be increased a lot. But I will use an plastic item to instead it. So if you want to make this creation by using our material, you can contact me for the replacement material, or you can follow my Facebook page, my product list, to find the replace material in the future. Okay, let's take the measurement. About 90 cm. And then I will cut a piece of the base out according to the measurement I got. The measurement I told is 19 cm, but I will make it a little bit larger, 2 cm larger. So it's about 21 cm. Okay, so I got the top piece here. I use the paper board, very thin, so a little soft, but you can use a thicker paper boards to make it harder, or you can use the wooden boards. Just apply some glue on here. Any glue are okay. Then you can glue it on the top. But since I just show you the procedure and make the sample, I don't glue it. Just put it on the top will be okay. You can use the harder material like wooden board or this acrylic board. I occasionally have one piece of it, so I can use it. You can cut it from your local store, wooden board or acrylic board. But if you want to customize the acrylic board, you can contact me for the code. I will use this one instead because there are other decoration idea. I don't want to use this one. Okay, like this. Okay, the following, we just decorate the stand with the other material like flowers, candle, or other material. But before that, I need to show you the sortage. This base and the top are not in same direction, like this. Normally, the rectangle stand we have is like this, but it's a little bit like this. So this is the sorting, but I don't think it would be a big problem because we can cover the sortage with the decoration material. And the most important, the idea is one set of material to instead different material, decoration material to cut cost to save money and use on different events. This is our Candelabra series idea, the ghost of the idea. Okay, let's go on. Okay, then let's put on our flower arrangement we made before with the floral foam, or you can use our ball frame by instead. Just put it on the stand. Then put on the, I will use the acrylic ball by instead. The come out will be much more pretty because I need to put some candle on the top. Okay, put on the candle. Ignore the green color if you like white color because I only have green candle on hand. Just want to show you the effect. Let's check it. Put more candle. The come out will be much more pretty. But since I only have 3 candles on hand, so just show you the idea like this. Also, we can put some candle on the bottom. Okay, look, this is the effect after I add some petal to cover the base. Some petal. Let's check the detail. The flower arrangement. If you want to know how to make the flower arrangement with our floral foam and our ball frame, you can check my old tutorial. I don't repeat it on this video. Put more candle here to make it full. The effect will be much more pretty and elegant. Okay, then I will show you how to add the bee chain on it. Okay, adding the bee chain on the ball, we need to make the hook. So we need to use this accessory. Just put the hook. There are group on it, just place it on the edge of the ball will be okay. Very easy. And for your information, we supply all material used on our tutorial. Okay, then add the bee chain on the hook will be okay. Okay, Adding the bead chain are very simple. Just look at this. This circle, just take it, go through the hole will be okay. Oh, it's not convenient because I'm holding the okay. I'm holding the camera, but it's very simple. And that I will show you the effect after I put all the bead chain on the hook. Okay, this is the effect after I added some bead chain on it. And if you want it more, you can use a hook, add a hook on our bead chain with petal, and then hook it on the hook. And this one, okay, then the come out will be pretty. Ignore the paper board, the cardboard, because it's very thin and soft, so a little bit out of shape. But I think the idea is good. Okay. This is the effect of the 40 cm stick to make the base to make the centerpiece, short, low centerpiece, like this. But if you want to make a taller centerpiece, you can use the 60 cm top, or connect two sticks to make it taller, to make a tall centerpiece. But anyway, I will show you the effect after I change the 40 cm stick to 60 cm stick. I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. And I make a little change. I add some leaf and flower to make the flower arrangement larger to cover the base. So I don't need the flower petal anymore. So I remove the flower petal also. Different layer of the bead chain. And later I will share you some tips about making the layers bead chain decoration like this. The candle, you can put more candle. Use the white candle will be better, but since I don't have them on hand. Okay. Let's check it from top to the bottom. And then if you want to drop some petal on it, you can add a hook and hook it. And the other side. Hook on it. So we can drag another bee chains on the sides of the layer decoration. So which one you like? Okay, this is the effect. Let's try it again. Okay, then I will show you some tips. Share you the tips when I make the layer of bee chain. Okay, there's a little tips would like to share with you. Since when you make the layers of bee chain, since our hook is small, we cannot put a lot of hook, this hook or this round hook on it. If you make a lot of layer, we cannot put all the hook on it. So you can look like this. Make one hook and put all the layer in one hook, like this. And then just use one hook, round circle to put it on our hook will be okay. Stick hook will be okay. So you can make any layer you want. There will be no problem. This is just the little tips I want to share with you. Okay, and look, this is the effect after I remove the bee chain. If you want the design to be simple, the come out are pretty. It's pretty also. Let's check the flowers. We surprise all the material used on our video, includes the flower and the leaf. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.